Hello, I'm Dimitri Kluturov.
Hola comunidad de FlutterFlow, saludos desde Colombia.
Hi, I'm Rashan Salaman from FFDC.
Hi, I'm Baldesh Mamas Troll for the book.
Hi everyone, my name is Tochku Chao Sakano.
Docente, y con FlutterFlow creé una aplicación que se llama Sept. Es una aplicación educativa que sirve para gestionar cuestionarios autocalificables.
We have achieved a milestone for FlutterFlow that we have created a smartwatch app only in FlutterFlow.
Create this speech app e Sept app and many other apps that I can't count it.
Hoje, tornei minha ideia em um negócio. Já desenvolvi projetos para diversos países.
Helps me sell because I can build working demos as part of our proposals, which impresses potential clients.
Vengo de un país, Venezuela, en donde las oportunidades son muy limitadas, haciendo lo que me gusta y esto me da la oportunidad de ayudar a mi familia que siempre he estado apoyando.
As a student, I wanted to make a great app that could define my creative skills. And with the boom of AI and no-code tools, it was a no-brainer.
Personalmente he descubierto cómo abordar las cosas de manera diferente gracias a FlutterFlow, ya que encontré libertad, capacidad y eficiencia en esta herramienta. Desde ese momento mi vida profesional ha tomado un giro hacia un mundo en el que todo es posible.
I'm not a true coder, I'm more like a product designer. With FlutterFlow, I became a full app studio.
FlutterFlow ha revolucionado nuestra forma de desarrollar aplicaciones al permitirnos centrarnos en la creatividad y la innovación.
Two projects, we need a larger number of senior developers. With FlutterFlow, for most projects we only need one FlutterFlow developer and one Flutter developer.
En una aplicación educativa totalmente funcional en una sola tarde. Eso me estalló la
FlutterFlow. I'm really excited about creating stunning, highly functional interfaces.
For me, FlutterFlow has just been fun, and sometimes, work isn't fun, and sometimes programming can be really frustrating, and designing can also sometimes be kind of frustrating.
I'm constantly impressed by the community's warmth and willingness to assist each other.
I say if you can dream it, you can build it in FlutterFlow.
Bienvenidos a la nueva era de la programación.